Hello and welcome back to the Discord 101 tutorial series, and in this video we are going to focus on server settings again and the categories moderation and audit log. Also, we are going to create a moderator channel, so I'd say let's get right into it. As in the last episode, we've created our moderation role. We're now wanting to create a moderator channel. So to create a moderator channel, I'd say let's make a new category for it, which will contain everything related to moderation, like maybe some logs and so on. So we're going to create a category, and we're going to call this category just staff, or we'll call it moderation only. And we're going to make it a private category, and in here we can whitelist different roles. So we're just going to whitelist moderation because administrator is not necessary, as they have access to this area anyway because they have administrator permission, but we're going to whitelist it for mods. So we're creating this category, and then we're creating a channel which is called mod chat. And now once we've in this, we can set, for example, hi, and it's not loading apparently because my Discord is sort of weird today. Anyway, we can, if we now go to permissions, we see that everyone has read messages off and moderator read messages on. So that's working fine, and it's not really going to work well anyway. But first point of this tutorial series done, and we have our moderator chat, which if we now quickly view over the everyone role, so if we view it through it everyone, we can't see this, but if we grant us the moderator role, we see this chat, and now it worked. Well, yeah, so I take this away and take this away again. Anyway, get back, and yeah, first point done. And now we're going to focus on moderation. So this is going to be a new section, and in the moderation section, you can set some standards a user need to require in order to participate in the server or interact with it at all. So we have 5 levels. So we have none, low, medium, high, and highest. These all have certain certifications a user need to set, and as high as it goes, so for example, if we're setting it to high, it doesn't need to be at least 10 minutes. It also needs to be registered for more than 5 minutes, and it needs to have an verified email on Discord. So it's we have low, for example, which must have a verified email. We have medium, which needs to be longer for 5 minutes on Discord. Registered be for more than 5 minutes. I'm sorry. High, which is must be a member of the server for longer than 10 minutes, and the highest, which means it has to have a verified phone on the Discord account. Anyways, we're going to set it to medium because it's obviously a good way to go to protect the community a bit, but not overdo it. If you have a really active and high community, you should put it to high. Anyway, we're going to use it for medium. Then we have explicit media content filter. Discord has their own integrated content filter which scans media for NSFW and so on. Always recommend to put this to scan media from all members. So definitely important. Just do that. It's going to be the best way to protect your community. Then we have FA requirement for moderators. 2FA is a two-factor authentication for Discord, which shortly explained will every time the user logs into something or grants in a password or tries to delete the server, it will need the user to require a certain code on their phone, which will be new generated every 10 seconds or so. And that's something you can enable in the user settings, but we don't need this for our current moderators. So yeah, anyway. Then we have Audit Log, which will be the next section of this video. This video is going to be a bit shorter, which is basically say just a way to see who changed something on the server. So currently it's me on the server because I'm the only one who's doing something. But we can also have filters, so we can filter by certain actions, and we have like a lot of them. For example, prune members, kick members, update channels, and so on. And we can filter it by users. So we have some good actions, and once and you have the option to click on these audit logs, and in here is going to be set some more information. So it says star goal, created a category moderators only, set the name to moderators only, set the type to, and then there's nothing. Anyway, or for example, made changes to tutorial server, set the explicit content filter to scan messages from all members, set the server verification to medium. All right, so this was it for this video, really quick. And in the next video, we are going to focus on integrations, widgets, and server templates. This will be more theoretical video because something like integrations will have their own video. It will just explain what they do, and in the video after that, we're going to focus on community. Anyway, I really hope you could learn something from this video, and we see us next week. Bye.